Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Today, we're blasting off into the cosmos for an exciting space adventure. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to float among the stars, visit distant planets, or meet friendly aliens? Well, grab your sketchbooks and your imagination because we're about to embark on a creative journey through the universe. Start with the earpiece. On one side of the bunny's head, draw a small circular or oval shape near where an ear would be. This will be the communication earpiece. Add a tiny antenna. Draw a short line sticking out from the earpiece with a small circle at the end. Sketch a large oval around the bunny's face. This will act as the helmet screen, which gives the bunny a clear view of space. Now, let's draw the bunny face inside the helmet. Sketch two long ears. Draw them sticking up. Make sure they emerge from the top of the helmet as if they're part of the bunny's space uniform. Draw the bunny's arms and hands. Position the arms in a slightly bent position, as if the bunny is floating in space. Draw rounded mittens for the hands to make it look like it's wearing astronaut gloves. Did you know there's no air in space, which means sound waves can't travel, so if you screamed in space, no one could hear you? The moon's gravity is 1/6 of Earth's. That's why astronauts on the moon can jump so high. If you weighed 60 kilograms on Earth, you'd only weigh 10 kilograms on the moon. How cool is that? Use something round to draw a circle behind our little astronaut. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.